Opening shot of a woman standing in her kitchen, looking at a pile of vegetables. Narrator, are you tired of the same old boring salads and meals? Do you want to add some pizzazz to your plate? Look no further than the Shine Electric Spiralizer. Cut to a close-up of the Shine Electric Spiralizer in action, effortlessly turning a zucchini into spirals. Narrator, with its powerful motor and sharp blades, the Shine Electric Spiralizer makes it easy to create beautiful, healthy, and delicious meals in just minutes. No more struggling with manual spiralizers or struggling to get the perfect shape. Cut to a woman happily eating a plate of colorful, spiralized veggies. Narrator, say goodbye to boring salads and hello to exciting, nutritious meals with the Shine Electric Spiralizer. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, this gadget is perfect for anyone who wants to add some creativity and fun to their meals. Cut to a man in a chef's hat, using the Shine Electric Spiralizer to make a stir-fry. Narrator, and with its compact design and easy-to-clean parts, the Shine Electric Spiralizer is perfect for anyone who wants to save time and effort in the kitchen. Cut back to the woman in her kitchen, now confidently spiralizing a sweet cucumber. Narrator, so what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the Shine Electric Spiralizer today and start creating beautiful, healthy meals that will impress everyone at the table. Closing shot of the Shine Electric Spiralizer sitting on a kitchen counter, with the tagline "Spiralize your way to deliciousness with Shine Electric Spiralizer."